Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. When HR issues an offer to candidate but for any reason candidate does not join to the company, PromptHR gives you an option to list him/her to did not join category. Today we shall see the process how to move candidate to did not join list, if he or she did not join the company, even after sending offer. Benefits of having this option are: 1. You will always have data of candidates who not joined you but you interviewed them. 2. When any candidate comes to join company and was listed and did not join, then system will give you a message that earlier you made an offer to him/her. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward for it. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on No Show, Did Not Join. In the list view that you click on checkbox against the candidate name whom you want to move to did not join list. Now select reason and save. That candidate moved to did not join list.